Hi guys, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha from Varsha Talkies. I'm so excited to share one-stop guide for RV newbies. Here are the things I would like to talk about. Kitchen essentials, RV outdoor setup things, including grill and campfire essentials, RV indoor setup things, cleaning kit, personal sanitation and hygiene, fun activities kit, videos and photos essential, things near driver's seat, backup essential, RV meals, snacks, and finally games. Let's get started. Some RVs provide vehicle provisioning kit and personal kit along with the RV packages with free of cost. Others don't. They get charged for the kit if they really want. The vehicle provisioning kit covers cookware, bowls, spoon, broom, flashlight, and so on. The personal kit covers towel, pillows, comforter, and so on. If you want the kit, you can buy one. Since we already had some items, we had decided not to buy the renter's kit. And the most important thing is, RV has enough space to store things. We thought of don't want to spend time for shopping. So we bought almost everything on the day we got started. Let's see what are the items one can carry on their own. Without wasting any more time, let's begin with the heart of the RV, kitchen. Even when your home is on wheels. Now we'll see kitchen accessories and gadgets. The first product that I have is fry pan set. It would be used for scrambled egg, bread toast, and the uses are many. Now we move on to cups. Here I bought few use and throw items, so you don't need to wash it often. You can have your trip even more easily. This one is plates, 50 counts. It is pretty enough for 3 days trip. Followed by spoons. If you want, include forks and butter spreader. Then one medium-sized saucepan and small-sized saucepan. This can be used for boiling milk and cooking rice. And a pair of coffee mug. The count depends on the number of people. And here comes few ladles at different size. We got measuring spoons and measuring cups. It's useful to measure the flour and rice. We have got measuring bowls, one medium-sized bowl and one small-sized bowl. You can use it for soaking, washing rice and washing veggies, and the uses are in number. Next I have is a colander for washing vegetables and fruits. And the most important thing is knife to cut vegetables and fruits. Then I got scissor and a peeler. Then 1 or 2 glass bowls. You can use it to store leftovers or to reheat the food in microwave. Here comes kitchen gadget, mixer with jar to make smoothies, grind spices and so on. Then I got cutting mat to chop vegetables and fruits. Paper towel, drying mat, instant pot. Finally a flask. This is non-essential, but if you like to have a cup of coffee or something hot somewhere in trail, you can use it. Next, I want to talk about RV outdoor setup things include grill and campfire essentials. We spend most of the time in RV park. It is important to utilize the location to its maximum. We got some of the items to carry. I would like to start with tablecloth, rectangle in size, outdoor fan, and end up picking up this extension cord. It is important to light up outside RV. Then outlet power strip. It is really useful since it has multiple pins. Now I move on to canopy with accessories like tent pin and hammock. Then a pair of chairs, depends on head count, and a hammock. This is optional. I absolutely love hammock. By lying, you can look up the sky, listening songs. It is amazing experience. For lights, I have serial lights. Then Coleman light lamp. It is optional. And a flashlight. Then I got umbrella or poncho. What if rain drops? It will be useful. Followed by wagon to carry the loads of items from car to RV or from RV to park. Finally a step ladder. It is optional. Now we move on to grill essentials. Usually grilling recipes include veg and non-veg. It depends on their preference. Firstly, I'm gonna start with grill items. Here comes instant lighting charcoal briquettes. Usually skilled people go with ordinary charcoal briquettes with charcoal lighter. Either way works for you. Some smoking chips to elevate the smoking flavor in the grill recipes. Now barbecue tongs with silicone basting brush to spread the oil to glaze on food. Now we're moving on to steel skewers, or can use bamboo skewers. Bamboo skewers, don't forget to soak it in water 2 hours before the grill. And the multi-purpose aluminum foil. Can use it to clean the outdoor grill, and people may use it in the stove to avoid spillage of food particles, and widely used as lid for container and is used to remove food stains on grill. And lighter to light up, now we're going to see grill scrubber, then oil spray or just ordinary oil, finally your desired spices. I have paprika, here I made Hariyali chicken and chicken tikka. Now we're moving on to campfire essentials. There is no RV without campfire. The first thing I want to talk about, dried firewoods. This you can carry or you can buy it in the RV location. It is easily available. Next comes the very important thing is fire starter. Here I have tumblewood fire starter. It is a burnable material, help us to start the fire quickly. And I like to cook s'mores over the campfire. So I have taken marshmallows and roasting skewers. The rest is mosquito spray or go with good insect repellent. We're moving on to RV indoor setup things. I got welcome mat to get rid of dirts. Then table mat or tablecloth. I got pillows with pillow covers, the bedspread and comforter. Others like cooler from Coleman to bring milk, butter, cheese, frozen items and cool drinks. Finally, a room freshener. Now we're moving on to cleaning kit. First, I want to talk about disinfectant wipes. I also use disinfectant multi-surface cleaner. We got dishwash liquid and scrubber. Then trash bag. I got multi-surface towel. I use on everything, especially on kitchen. Now I have dustpan and brush. RV itself, they gave us lobby broom. Then I have flush cleaner. And finally, RV toilet treatment. This is mandatory, super important, you have to buy. RV toilet roll. It is specially made for RV. Then we move on to personal sanitation and hygiene. Now I got hand wash liquid, hand sanitizer, face mask, vinyl gloves. It is extremely important, especially during pandemic situation. Now I want to begin with fun activities kit. This one is sports lifeguard. Only if you are not familiar with swimming. Then inflator for pool floats, airbed and so on. And fishing pot with fishing accessories. Finally helmet if you are inclined to bike. Also add kids fun activities kit. I hope you enjoyed watching the video so far, and I don't want to make you guys tired to watch long video. I have split this video into part 2. I'll see you guys in part 2 video.